Okay, let's go one by one.
Oh, I did that
Quiz
question.
4. Number, you said 3. Yes?
Sure.
What is the question? I don't remember. And what is your question?
My question was
Did you?
find the inverse of that E.
Yeah, okay. I don't want to go one by one, but yeah, some question I will answer. Okay. What did I give this?
No, you asked for the domain.
Okay, so anyway. Magrori, what is the question? Oh my God. Number 3. I don't remember what is question.
Let me find X and Y. Should be this one right here. Yeah.
So, let me. Okay. Oh my God. This, right? So, oh, here is Y, sorry. Isn't it? Is right? Okay. So, yeah. How do you want to start this question? How do you want to start to solve this question? Huh? You have to make a plan. So,
Divide the two triangles.
good, very good. So you should think about ABC and you have to think about the ACD, right? Okay, next. I draw very bad. I know. But it's okay. Yeah, what do you want to do? In triangle ABC, what do you want to do?
Since you have the angle,
Huh?
you need to find X.
How to?
So you take sinus
Very good. Sine, what?
30,
30 equal to? 1
1 over X.
over x. Yes, good. What is sine 30?
Square root of 3.
I don't think so.
1 over 2.
Huh? 1 half.
1.
I think it's not this problem. I don't believe I draw right.
Are you doing problem 11?
No, number 3.
On the quiz.
Oh, on the quiz.
So I gotta pull it back up.
Because I remember my answer was not this. So that's what I'm asking.
Yeah, you
Oh no, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm so sorry. Should be what? In this triangle.
sinus. You,
Very good. Cosine.
that's all I was asking. What do you choose
Yeah.
sinus?
Why cosine? Of course. Your angle is here. Everything based on A. Yes? So sine is this. Cosine is this. Tangent is this. Yes?
Okay.
You should know. Yes. Your angle is here. Yes? So cosine 30 is 1 over x. Yes? What is cosine 30? Yeah. Therefore, x is what?
We use cosine because the side is adjacent to the angle.
Right. This
So-
is the hypotenuse, and this is adjacent
Yes.
around the angle. Yes. This is the opposite. Yes.
So cosine is the adjacent over the hypotenuse, and sine
Yeah.
is the
Is it
opposite
good?
over hypotenuse.
Yes. Looks like a good. And then now your turn. Oh my God, my picture is very bad. I know. ACD. This is a right angle. Yes. Yes. And your angle is here. This is what? Hypotenuse, right? Where is adjacent? Around this angle. Where is adjacent?
Why?
Y. Very weird. So what kind of relation you can make it?
Sine.
Eh?
Let's go sine.
Cosine again, yes? Cosine, oops. Cosine what?
45.
Yeah. Cosine 45 equal to what?
You use sine 45 here. At least on this one you use sine.
No, cosine, should be cosine. Yeah, cosine, but luckily it's same. Cosine 45 is what? What?
Square
1 over square root.
1 over.
What? No, I know, yeah, this is a 1 over square root 2. I'm asking this part.
Oh,
What is what ratio?
Square root of whatever 2.
Yeah? Cosine of this triangle.
Y over.
That's right. Y over what? X. Yes? What is X? X is here. So Y over 2 over square root 3. Let's use this form. Yes? And cross multiplication. And then what? Square root 2y equal to what? 2 over square root 3. Am I right? So Y is what? Multiply is division, right? So what? Times what? 1 over square root 2. Yes? So what? Ah. Yes? Yeah. Good to check. Okay, go here. Any questions? It's clear? Okay. And this is exponential function, right? But slightly twisted it. Anyway, exponential function, whatever. What is domain? What is domain?
0 to infinity.
All real numbers.
Yes. All real numbers, yes. Okay, and you cannot see easily for this, but if you okay, how about this way? If you rewrite it, what is it? It means,
Oh, it's asking for the F inverse. The
Yeah.
question.
It's asking.
yeah, and but some maybe domain and range, I don't know.
It's asking for.
It's
the-
okay, yeah, and then this is domain, it's fine. And then how do you find the F inverse X? What do you need? You have to pass through the 3 steps. Anyway, exponential is 1 to 1, right? So no problem. Yes, 1 to 1. And then what? Solve for, second step is what? Solve for X. Am I right? After what? Set what? Set y equal to e to the negative x minus 1. Isn't it? That's step 2. Yeah? It's good?
Can I try to do it on the board?
You wanna try? Why not? Yeah,
Cool.
come.
Thanks.
Okay, are you doing again, second step,
I'm
right?
just like doing
It's
it.
okay, it's fine. That's same. This is same. Yeah, okay. You don't finish number 1 yet.
Log, right?
You have to solve for x. You have to isolate x. Yes?
My bad.
Yeah. So,
Oh, I did it differently.
whatever. Anyway, even you do differently, you should find what? Solve for x. That you have to go.
Okay.
Why?
Sorry.
Why? Why this?
Wait, what?
Why you can move from 2 to 3? Why? What's the reason?
From 2 to 3, I log both sides.
And then why right hand side become negative x minus 1? Why?
Negative x minus, it was already at negative x minus 1.
Oh, shit.
So from the second step to, how come this one become this?
Oh, because
Explain
it
it.
crossed out.
Mhm.
Okay, so when you take the natural log
Yeah.
of e, it cancels out. So then
What
it
is cancelled? Nothing is cancelled.
ln e.
What?
So natural log of e doesn't cancel out.
You should know clearly.
Okay.
Because you move this, what is that? This one, you rewrite it because this is power. Power can be front. And then ln e. What is ln e? What is ln e?
The natural log of e.
What is ln e? What is
Oh.
ln e? Good.
Oh, yeah.
You should know.
Got it.
So that's the reason this looks like you copy. Okay, so and then what is the next step? Hmm?
Interchange.
What are you doing now? You should remember your goal. What are you doing
I'm
now?
isolating x.
Good. Very good. Okay, so. Mhm. Mhm. Okay, so you got this. Very good.
And then interchange.
Yes, and then, okay, go. Mm-hmm. Okay, so
Okay, so y equals negative x minus 1.
what did your notation y means?
Oh, f inverse x.
Yeah, write down. X of x. Uh-huh. job. Good. Everybody understand? Huh? Everybody understand? Yep. Any question? You go slow, but you go completely right way. Okay? Okay. Any question?
Oh, test 2 is Wednesday? Oh shit.
What?
What?
Wow,
Oh
kids.
man. Good luck.
Isn't it? Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Right, Rachel.
What's on number 2? What's before your end?
Huh?
On step 2, what's before the end?
Number 2.
Is that LN?
Yes, that's all.
Okay.
Okay. Any other question? No. Let's go to the chapter 7. This is important.
Girl.
You didn't hear her talking to you. Who? Her. What did you say?
Next exam.
It's been
Okay, chapter 7. Here. Page.
What you asked?
The other class also do that. Five.
What was it?
Always starting chapter, you have to read the title. What is that? Analytic. Trigonometry. So it means what? You have to analyze more. And section 1, most of case is what? How to prove it. 7.1. How to prove it using the what? We learned from the previous chapter. Some of tangent is sine over cosine, or secant is 1 over cosine, and 2 trigonometric property, yes, 2 identity. Using that, I will go directly 539. Proofs. Okay, so example 1. Let's go. Simplify. 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 Cosine t plus tangent t times sine t. How do you simplify this? What is the first goal to simplify it? First goal is rewrite everything if possible and then sine and cosine. Yes, let's rewrite this one using sine and cosine. So cosine t plus sine t over cosine t. Am I right? Yes. Times sine t. Simplify it. It is cosine t plus sine square t over cosine t. Am I right? Yes? That's good? Let's make a common denominator. This is the one of technique. So cosine t. And then what? Cosine t squared plus cosine t sine square t. Yes? Because common denominator combine together. And then cosine t, cosine square t plus sine square t. What is it? What is cosine square t plus sine square t? 1. So 1 over cosine t. What is 1 over cosine t? Yeah, secant t. So this is your answer. Yes, this is your answer. Okay? Everything in the book. I think you guys like to write down something anyway. Example 2. Simplify again. Simplify. Sine over cosine. Sine theta over cosine theta plus cosine theta over 1 plus sine theta. How do you want to simplify? What do you want to do? Everything is already sine and cosine. What do you want to do? another technique of simplification is what? You have a multiple term, if possible, and then combine as a make a what? One term. So what do you want to do? To make a one term, what do you need to do?
Multiply by the reciprocal denominator. Multiply both denominators by common denominator.
Yes, common denominator. What is common denominator? Very good.
So it's multiplying both by the
Yeah, so what is multiply what?
Cosine t times 1 plus sine t.
Exactly. So here, first term. Very good. Need to multiply by what? To make a common denominator. Am I right? Yes? Plus multiply what? Multiply what? Cosine theta to make a common denominator. Am I right? And clean up because the same denominator. It is what? Top part, distribute. It is? Am I right? What is it? What is this? 1. Very good. Am I right? Yes? So what is it? Again? Yeah. Yes? But not always secant theta. I don't believe that. This is just example. Page 5. Example 3. Rho. Cosine theta. Secant theta minus cosine theta is sine squared. How do you prove? In this case, you have a left-hand side and right-hand side. How to prove? To prove it, your first goal is what? Pick up the left-hand side or right-hand side and what? Make it equal with the other side. Yes? Which side do you want to pick up?
left side.
Yes, very good. Yes, because usually complicated part you have to touch first, right? And simplify. Yes? Very good. So we pick up the left-hand side. Cosine theta, secant theta, cosine theta. What do you want to do? Right top, copy, right? Secant, cosine, yeah. What do you want to do next?
Multiply.
Eh? How to? How to? Yeah, go, yes. Next, what do you want to do?
Multiply cosine by everything inside.
Yeah, distribute. Yes, distribute. Yeah. And then first term is what? Am I right? And then, what is 1 minus cosine squared theta? Huh? By identity is a sine squared theta, right? This is what? Right hand side. So you prove it. Yes? Isn't it? Hello? You prove it, right? That's it. So that's the proof. So you simplify left hand side and then go to the right hand side. This technique. Okay. How about another example? Example 4, page 541. Prove again. Prove what? So tangent theta, tangent x, secant x equal to 1 minus sine x, 1 plus sine x. How do you prove it? Starting from what?
The left? The left?
Left? It's okay, but my opinion,
Is it-
you
there
had
are two
better choose the
fractions.
right hand side first, right? So your right hand side is this. Next, what do you want to do? How many terms at the left hand side? How many terms at the left hand side?
2.
No, 1. Everything multiplication is 1 term. Yes?
Oh.
How many terms do you have at the right hand side?
2.
Yes.
Okay.
So what do you want to do? To compare to the left hand side, you had better make a what? 1 term. Yes? What technique? Common denominator, right? Yeah. So what I need to multiply here?
Multiply by 1 plus sine x.
Very good. What I needed to multiply here?
1 minus sine x.
That's right. Yes? Okay, Karina. What is it? 1 minus sine x, 1 plus sine x is what?
Just
A minus b. A plus b is what? College algebra. A minus b times A plus b.
a squared minus b squared.
Okay, so what is it?
1 minus sine squared.
Very good. Same thing. Am I right? Yes. You have a common denominator. Be careful. This negative will be distributed here and here. Yes? So what? And then this one cancelled, isn't it? And then what do you have? 2 sine x over 1 minus sine square x. Now, what is 1 minus sine square x? Cosine square, right. Yeah. Compared to the left hand side, what I want to do? I need to what? 1 over cosine, right? And I need what? Sine x over cosine, right? So this one can be what? Divided by that's exactly what? This is exactly so you're done. Yes? It's good? So you prove it. Right?
This is material for exam
3.
3.
Yeah,
Okay.
test 3. Example 5.
Oh wait, I have a question.
Yes, please.
Why are we doing exam 3 material, the class right before exam 2?
No, I'm keep going. The reason, I told you many times, your material is heavy. If I repeat the test 2 again and again, you don't have any content for test 3.
Okay.
And that is make a real problem when you take another class. How many need to take a Calc 2? See?
Only
Don't blame me later
Okay,
if I don't cover. Yes? See, that's the reason I have to keep going. Yes? To be your, when you take calculus 1 and 2, you should be feel easy. Yes? Ah, I learned that. If you don't feel like that, oh my God, this is disaster. Your maybe next instructor should do what? Again from the pre-cal. Oh my God, this I don't want to see that. Yes? Okay, example 5. Again, prove. Cosine u over 1 minus sine u equal to secant u tangent u. What do you want to do? Which side? How do you want to approach? Hmm?
Is it the
Right side.
Right hand side? It's okay. Yeah, maybe it can be right hand side, it can be left hand side. Okay, I will follow majority. How many wants to go to the left hand side first? How many wants to go right hand side? Okay? No problem. So I will go to right hand side. So, what do you want to do next?
Change it into cosine and sine.
Yes, yes. Next, what do you want to do?
Combine.
Okay. Next, what do you want to do? Hmm. What do you want to do? Hmm? Felix, you have idea?
Hell no.
Yeah,
Can we?
Gabriel, right?
Can we?
Oh, no, I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
fucking dead.
I'm so sorry.
I go for Gabrielle.
Yeah, I know. Because I remember, the Chelsea, yeah? Why, I always forgot your name, I'm so sorry.
Girl.
What is your name? I'm so sorry, I will gonna remember next time.
Taylor.
Huh?
Taylor.
Oh, you are Taylor, Chelsea, yes, yeah, I know, Taylor.
I mean, neither one of those things
Okay,
are Gabrielle.
anyway, go back.
Close.
Now I know everybody's name, but I'm so sorry, Taylor. Okay, next, what do you wanna do?
Would we maybe multiply like by 1 by doing like cosine over cosine? Or like the 1 plus sine over 1 plus sine? Something like that?
Like similar to the previous, right? So what? Pick up the left hand side, yes? Sometimes your problem can be what? Handle both together and go to the what? Approach from the both direction, what? Make up equal, yes? So, I pick up left hand side too. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Eh? What do you want to do? To matching with this. What I need to do? That's right. Why? Because it, like that, and then your denominator go what? Am I right? Am I right? What is this? That's right. Yes? And then what? This, yes? And then what? This is equal, yes? So you're done, right? Yeah. So this time you handle both, right? Yes? You handle both. Right. Okay. Example example 6. Eh, 1 plus cosine x. Tangent square. Secant. What do you want to do? What do you want to do? Huh? Which side do you want to pick up?
The right side.
Huh?
The right side.
Right hand side? Yeah, I think the same way. Right hand side. What do you want to do?
Right tangent as a sine over cosine.
What is the second identity?
C minus 1
Huh?
over.
What?
Tangent plus 1 is
Right? Equal to?
secant.
Yeah, so solve for tangent square. What is it?
It's the tangent equals
Solve. What is the second identity?
Secant
Secant
plus 1.
square minus 1.
Am I right? So what is tangent square theta?
Secant square minus 1.
Very good. Right? So, yeah. What do you want to do next?
You can write secant square like secant square minus 1 times secant square plus 1.
Very good. Your numerator become? Yes?
Yes.
So what do you have? But still nothing. What do you want to do? Huh?
Secant theta equals
What?
over cosine.
Excuse me? What do you want to do?
Secant theta equals 1 over cosine theta.
Okay. Yeah. So,
So 1 over cosine theta plus 1. And then you have the common denominator. which is
very good. Very good.
cosine is 1 over.
Yeah. Am I right? And then? Done. Yes? It's good? Or you can pick up the right hand side and left hand side and a little bit adjust, right? That's another way. Last one. I said this is tricky. No, example 7, don't do that. Okay, instead of example 7. Okay, let me ask. Prove number 40. Page. Number 40. How do you prove? How do you approach? Hmm? Algebra. Left hand side, very good.
That's sine square x plus 2 sine times cosine x plus cosine square x.
Completing the square, right? Completing the square, right? Or you don't know that, and then what? You have to do this. And distribute, right?
Yes.
And then you will get But you don't need to do this step. Magroli said you can directly answer. That's I prefer. And then what? Oh, don't stop here.
Sine square plus cosine square equals.
Okay.
Am I right? Am I right? Yes? Any question? It's clear? Everybody? So, this section, if you don't practice, and then it's not yours. You have to practice by yourself, yes? Let me assign here. But I don't want to give credit. Homework. Practice. With number 42, 61, 73, 77. If you don't know, you have to make a question next time. Yes? Let's move to 7.2. This section is one of the most important sections. Here, what is title? Addition or subtraction formula. About what? Trigonometric function. So, are we gonna copy page 545 table? Yeah. Of course, you can prove it, like based on the 7.1, but I don't prove it. So just I will give a formula, but you can prove it. This is the addition or subtraction formula. You can prove it using the 7.1. But let me ask, sine is the even function or odd function or neither function? Sine. Sine. Y equals sine x is even function, odd function, or neither function? Odd function. Very good. F of x equals cosine x is even function, odd function, or neither function? Even. Even. Very good. Tangent x is the even, odd, or neither? Neither. Odd. Very good. So, what is the characteristic of odd? Odd means what? Am I right? Am I right? Odd property. cosine is this. Why? Because sine and other function has a different property. Am I right? Good. You have to remember this. So that's the reason. From 1 to 4 and 2 to 5 and 3 to 6 is related. Yes? How to? Because alpha minus beta means what? Alpha plus minus beta. Am I right? Do you understand? Yes? Understand what I'm talking about? And then you can use the what? 1, 2, 3. Yes? Directly. Do you understand what I mean? Like one of example. This one. Sine alpha minus beta equal to what? Sine alpha plus minus beta. Am I right? And then by the what? Number 1. It is what? Addition. Yes? What? Sine alpha, saco cosine. Sa, co, sa. Am I right? Am I right? Now, cosine is what? Even function. Am I right? So what? Sine is odd function. Yes? So what? Yes? So what is it? So this is this. Yes? Everything you can do. Do you understand what I mean? Yeah? Because you know already many things. See, chapter 5, chapter 6, you learn already too much about the trigonometric function. Right? Yeah. It's good? Okay, so I don't want to prove 1 through 6. You are interested in and then you can do that, right? Pick up the, Okay, so let me erase this. All right? Not yet? And then using this, let's go to page 546. Example 1. What? Find the exact value. One, cosine 75 degree. 2, cosine pi over 12. 3, and 20. Okay. You have to get a value, exact value. Unfortunately, you know that 75 is not a special angle, right? But you can make an addition or subtraction by 2 special angles. How do you want to combine? How do you want to make 75? By the well-known special angle.
45 and 30.
Very good. That's the starting point. So 75 rewrite as what? Addition, right? Yes. So it is equal to cosine 45 plus 30. Am I right? And then, how do you figure out this? By what? What formula?
5.
Formula what?
2.
Yes, number 2. So it is equal to what? Cosine 45, yes, times cosine 30 minus, yes, sine 45 times sine 30. Am I right? Yes? Everything is special angle. What is cosine 45?
1/2.
Yep. What is cosine 30?
√3/.
Very good. What is sine 45?
1/√2.
Yes. What is sine 30?
1/2.
Very good. Looks like a Devin. You know how to handle it this. Very good. Okay, and then what is the common denominator? Am I right? You can leave like that, but don't want to leave square root in the denominator and then what? Multiply top and bottom by what? Yes? And then what is it? Square root 2 is 2. So what? 4 and distribute this. This is your answer. Yes? It's good? It's good? So angle is given and then what? That's the easiest one. But unfortunately, if you know radian, like number 2, and then you should remember how to deal with this. Important thing is pi over 12 is yeah. So here, because your denominator is 12. Think about this.
Pi over 6 plus pi over 6. No.
Here. Let me. So everything rewrite by see here. Pi over 6 is equal to what? Pi over 4 is equal to what?
3.
Equal to what? More. Pi over 2 equal to what? Pi is equal to what? So, fill up. What is it?
2.
2 pi. Yes. How about here?
3 pi.
Yep. How about here?
4 pi over 12.
Huh?
4 pi.
Yeah. How about here?
6 pi over
Yes. How about here?
12 pi over
Yeah.
12.
So we know this much, right? Am I right? Now, and then what is pi over 12? What degree? Pi over 12 is what? 15 degree. Yes. Am I right? 15 degree. So how do you want to make a 15? So here what to add?
Pi over 6 minus pi over 4?
Say again? How to
Sorry,
make
pi
a
over 4
see
minus pi
here.
over 6.
Yeah, here. Yes. How do you want to make pi of, how do you want to make 15 degree?
And pi over 4 over pi over 6 or 45.
Pi over 4 minus what?
Pi over
What? Pi over 6. Very good. Yes. Isn't it? You have to know. So, very good. Which one do you want to use? Which one?
Oh, 5.
Number 5. Yes. So what is it? Kokosasa, right? Class. Okay. Again. Go. What is cosine pi over 4?
1/2.
Uh-huh. What is cosine pi over 6?
2 over square root of 3. Oh, square root of 3. It's a long day.
1 over square root 2. Sine 1/2, right? So exactly this, but what? Addition. So what? Yes? All right. Yeah. It's good? Number 3, 20 is not a special angle, 40 is not special angle, but you can make a special angle using what? Yes, that's right. How to?
Just add the
Add together, right? Yes, and then which formula you have to use? From right to left.
From right to
Which formula?
left.
Here. Sa, co, sa, plus. Which formula?
One.
Number 1, yes. And then how to rewrite it? Sine, what?
Oh, I was like
20
plus
plus 40, yes. And then this is sine 60, am I right? What is sine 60?
Okay.
√3/2.
Yes, that's your answer. How easy it is if you know the addition formula, right? Or subtraction formula. Is good?
Yes.
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay. So, now, how about exercise? Okay. Page number 8. Number 9. Sine. Number 14. 14. Oh no, number 13. Yeah. pi over 2. Find the exact value. What do you need to do? Can I erase it? No. I need 3 volunteers. Try. Okay, Devin, which one?
Number 8.
Number 8? Come.
So, 10 A plus B. So we gotta get to 165. So we go 10. We could go 10. 180 minus. No.
Hint. Your angle is bigger than 90, and then you have to remember previous concept. You need reference angle, am I right? And you need to know about what? Is tangent is positive or negative by the quadrant, yes?
Yes.
So you have to combine everything here.
Alright, so it will be negative.
Not directly, unfortunately, right? So what is good idea? You had better rewrite this one using the acute angle by using reference. What is your reference angle?
Well, we got
What is your reference angle?
pi over 12.
You are right, pi over 12, yes, 15 degree, am I right? But originally your t is in which quadrant? Second quadrant, am I right? At the second quadrant, your tangent is negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. So how do you write down? Okay, let me help this one and then you do number 9. So here, like this case, your t is 165 degree, yes? And this is in second quadrant, right? Am I right?
Yes.
And then what is your t tilde? 15 degree, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah, now, at the second quadrant, your tangent is what? Tangent t is negative, am I right? Am I right?
Yes.
So what is true? So here, this one can, yeah, why not? Rewrite by what? Negative tangent, what? 15. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, how do you want to make a 15? Using the special angle.
The power of 12.
Huh?
45 minus.
That's right, 45 minus 30. Yeah, so I have to rewrite. Let me finish because yeah, I will show what. Tangent.
Dang.
45 minus 30. Am I right? Am I right? And then which number you have to use? Yeah. Number 6. Yes? So what? Minus. Tangent 45 minus tangent 30 over 1 plus tangent 45 tangent 30. Am I right? Can I erase this?
Mhm.
Yeah. So, what is tangent 45?
1.
Good.
1 minus
1 minus. What is tangent 30? Eh? What is tangent 30?
1 over root 3.
Very good.
That's 1 plus 1.
Am I right? Clean up inside. Algebra. Yeah?
Mhm.
Am I right? So, yeah? Yes? Flip to multiplication, so what is it? Yeah. Am I right? Yeah?
Yeah.
So what did you answer? A. Negative distribute. Yeah, you can leave like this. Or, yeah, I don't have any complaint if you stop here. Okay, go 9, Debbie. Huh? So, this is again, your angle is bigger than 90 degree, right?
Yes.
Your angle is in which quadrant? You have to figure out that first. Which quadrant?
12 plus 7. It is quadrant 3.
No. Which
4.
quadrant?
Must be 4.
Yes. How do you know? You guys need to know for this exam. See here. Everything 12, you can think about it. And I already write down. Am I right?
Yes.
What is it?
8 pi.
Hmm?
Oh, no. 18 pi.
18 pi. Very good. 2 pi is?
24 pi.
Yes. So that one is in where? Here. Yes. And which quadrant? Third quadrant. Am I right? Oops.
4.
Fourth quadrant. I'm sorry. Fourth quadrant. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Here. You have to. Your t is in what? 19 pi over 12. Here. And then it's fourth quadrant. And then what is your t tilde? What is your t tilde?
Pi over 12.
Huh?
Pi over 12.
I don't think so.
No. Lost it.
Hmm? What is your tilde?
Pi over 6.
Power of 3.
No. Think. You have to make a difference from 2 pi to this one. What is your d tilde?
5.
That's right. 5 pi over 12. Am I right? Am I right? Okay,
Yes.
anyway, in fourth quadrant, your sine t is what? Positive or negative?
Negative.
Good. So, how do you rewrite? Using tilde.
Negative
Very good.
sine
Very good.
of 5 pi of 12.
Good job. Now, but still have a problem, right? Very good. Good job.
Right.
Now,
Negative
5 pi over 12 is what degree? 5 pi over 12 is what degree? You see before. 1 pi over 12 is 15 degree, am I right?
yes.
So, what is 5 pi over 12?
Is it 45? Well,
90 minus 15 is what?
15, 75.
75 degree, yes? Yeah. So, how do you want to make a 75 as a special angle? That's right. 45 plus what? 30, isn't it?
mhm.
So, how do you rewrite it?
Oh, 45 plus 30. Okay, sine.
Yeah. I know, it's not easy. You have to practice, yes? So, next exam will be this. So, you have to practice.
Plus minus 6.
Very good.
Minus six.
Yes, parenthesis.
Parentheses.
Good. And then which formula you have to use?
The formula 1.
Yes, 1.
Yeah.
But be careful, you have outside negative. Yep,
Right.
go.
Okay, negative.
Sine, sakokosa. You had this is a pronunciation is easy to remember. Sakokosa or kokosasa. Yes.
Mm-mm.
See. Here. I usually memorize this way. Sakokosa, kokosasa. Huh?
She's crazy.
So then you never
Soko,
forget.
what is it? Soko Casa?
Sakokosa. Sine, cosine.
Mhm.
Sakokosa, kokosasa.
Sine.
Oh, okay. Coco
But be careful, this is plus, but this is minus, right?
Okay.
Original.
Cosine.
And then you never forget.
Right.
Uh-huh.
Pi over 6 plus
Uh-huh.
cosine pi over 4
Uh-huh.
and times sine pi over 6.
Good job. So, and then you have to figure out the all special values, right? Right?
Which comes out to sine, or no, not sine, pi over 4, so 1 over 2 times square root of 3
Hmm?
over 2 plus 1 over
Hmm?
2 times pi over 6, 1/2.
You see this one today, maybe more than 5 times, right?
Mhm.
Minus. So it is equal to negative what? I now memorize it, plus.
6 plus.
Yeah, that's your answer, yes? Good job.
Thank you.
How about, and then 13? 13. What is 11 pi over 12? Which quadrant?
That's 4.
11 pi over 12. Which quadrant? Second quadrant. What is t tilde?
Pi over.
Yes, so let me use another color. This is number 2. All related. Okay, here. T is in 11 pi over 12. It is second quadrant, right?
Yes.
What is t tilde?
Pi over 12.
Pi over 12. Now it's easy, right? And your cosine in the second quadrant is positive or negative?
Negative.
Good. So can divide by what? Can divide by what?
Negative cosine.
Negative cosine
pi over
power 12. You remember this is 15, so what? Well, how do you rewrite it? That's right. Yes? So which number? 5, yes?
Yes.
So what? Kokosasa. Sasa. So what is it? Am I right this time? Yes? Oh, sorry. So answer again what? Am I right? Yep. Is it good? Yeah. So this you needed to know this kind of problem. Okay. Okay. Move on. So let me erase it. Looks like you understand this one pretty much. So, or you can see your book. Now, go to page 547. Example 3.
547.
Prove. Cosine, okay. Cosine what? Pi over 2 minus u
Okay.
sine u. How do you prove? Which side do you want to pick up? Left hand side, of course, right? And then left hand side, what do you want to do? What did we do? Huh?
You do the formula.
Which formula? Number what?
Subtraction.
That's right. Right? So what is it?
Cosine.
Coco plus Sasa. Yes, Coco plus Sasa. So go. Am I right?
Yeah.
What is cosine pi over 2? 0. What is sine pi over 2? 1. Yes? So this part is gone, right? So what do you have? So this is equal to this. Yes? You done? Right? Good.
Good.
Example 4. Similar. Prove. How do you want to prove? Right hand side, very good. Now what do you want to do?
Addition formula.
Addition formula number 3. What is it? What? Numerator? Tangent?
minus
Tangent
power of 1
times,
tan x.
okay. What is tangent to pi over 4? I.
1.
Good. Yes?
Yes.
So, simplify. It is
1 plus tan x.
we're done. Yes? It's good? Okay? How many has a full-time job? I know, yeah, evening class.
And for parents, so.
Yeah. Jakari, you don't have a job? Very good for you. So you have more time. Yeah. This type of problem we're gonna use many times today. That's important. 100% in the next exam, not this format. You will see some format I will introduce today. Okay, question. In this format, x is angle or x is value?
Value.
Very good. And then, cosine inverse x is angle or value? That's the angle represented for angle or value. You said
X is the value.
x is the value, and then what? Angle. Yes, this is the angle. You have to understand. And similarly, y is what? Y is the value or angle?
Value.
Value. So this is what? Angle or value?
Angle.
Angle. Set. First job is what? Set. Angle alpha. Yeah. Set. Is angle beta. Yes. This is first job. And then here, from this, convert it. Here, convert it. How do you rewrite? Using without inverse. Cosine inverse x equal alpha. And then how do you write down?
Cosine alpha.
Cosine,
Cosine x.
no, cosine
Alpha.
alpha.
Equals x.
Good. How about here?
Cosine beta.
Eh?
Cosine.
Uh-uh.
Oh, sine
Tangent
beta
beta
equals y.
equal to y. Yes? Isn't it? Now. Consider triangle by this. Right triangle, alpha here. Same thing, consider triangle. Okay, in here. Where is 1, where is x? Where is 1 and where is x?
One is hypotenuse,
Uh-huh.
X is the base.
Huh?
The bottom.
Bottom.
Uh,
The base.
adjacent, right. Okay, and then by Pythagorean, what is this? Do Pythagorean. What is this length?
The
Eh?
opposite. The opposite.
I know this name is opposite. What is this length? Pythagorean. Oops.
A squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Yeah, let's say this is let's say this is c.
Yes.
And then what? Pythagorean. What is it?
Is that the square root of 1 minus
B?
x squared?
Good job. Very good. That's what I'm asking.
What?
Why I have to do all the time? Oh, complain again. Am I
I
right?
already said that, but not how you have it written.
Right? Yes? Oops. Huh? Yeah? Don't make a question next time. Huh? You should know directly. Okay? Similarly, where is the 1, where is y? Where is 1, where is y?
One is a hypotenuse.
Uh-uh.
Y is the opposite.
Hmm? Y is the opposite. Good. Where's 1? Only 3 perfect. Huh?
The bottom.
Adjacent.
Yeah, adjacent, right? And then, now, what is this? What is this?
Your A.
Yay. Yeah,
Or
by Pythagorean, what is C?
Square root of 1 minus x squared?
Ah.
Something?
You don't know again? And then you have to think again. C. Am I right? So what is C? Yes? You should do. Huh? You should do. Yes? Right? Clear. Now, go back to the original. What was that? It was what? This one means sine alpha plus beta. Am I right? Am I right?
yeah.
By the additional property, it is what? Sakokosa. Am I right?
Mhm.
Now, alpha triangle is this, beta triangle is this, yes? Using this or using this, pick up. What is sine alpha? What is sine alpha? What is sine alpha? Huh? Which triangle you have to use? Alpha triangle is what? The red one, yes?
Yes.
What is sine alpha? Hmm?
Square.
One.
Square root
Square
of
root
1
of
1
one.
minus x squared.
That's right. What is cosine beta?
The square root of 1 plus y.
What?
X.
What?
Of beta? The square root of 1 plus y squared, right?
Am I right?
Yes.
Plus. What is cosine alpha? Oops. Cosine alpha. Oops.
X times. Oh.
X over 1.
Good. What is sine beta?
Y over square root y. I mean 1 plus y squared.
Am I right? Yeah? What is the common denominator? Common denominator is
The square root of 1 plus y squared.
here. Here. This is your answer. Yes? Yeah?
That's as far as me to go.
See, algebraic equation of x and y. Everything represented as a function of x and y. Yes?
Yes.
That's it. I want to introduce, actually, this is important, so what? Example 7 is really important. I want to say this is this, and then this one is this. Okay? You see, it means what? 100% this one in the exam. Next exam, and your quiz maybe. Evaluate sine theta plus phi. Where, what? Where? Sine theta is 12 over 13. Theta is in second quadrant, right? And another condition. Tangent phi is 3 over 4. And phi is in third quadrant. Theta and phi is a totally different angle, am I right? So from here, I know you're missing this part, but you understand this and then you understand everything. You have to make two triangles. With the angle theta, another triangle with angle phi, yes? Understand? Yes. So what? From here, using this information, you have to think about what? This triangle. Based on this, you have to make this triangle. Now, let's go. Your sine theta is 12 over 13. Where is 12? Where is 13?
12 is the opposite.
Good.
13 is the hypotenuse.
And then, by Pythagorean, what's this? Huh? How do you figure out this? This part should be what? Square root of 13 square minus 12 square. Am I right?
Mm-hmm.
It is 169 minus 144. 45 is 5. Yes?
Yes.
Here. But this is not enough. Why? Theta is in second quadrant means your theta is what?
Negative. Oh.
Not negative.
It's a positive. Sine is positive.
That's right. You have to figure out this. In second quadrant, what? Sine in second quadrant, which one is positive and negative? X and Y. Which one is positive? Which one is negative?
X is negative and Y
That's
is
right.
positive.
X is negative, Y is positive. Yes?
Yes.
So what? This one should be negative 5. Do you understand?
Okay.
Yeah? Yes?
Yep.
Good. That everything is positive. Okay, here. Using this. Where is 3? Where is 4?
Oh, tangent 3 is opposite. 4 is adjacent.
Good. And then what is this? How do you figure out this?
Square plus 3 square.
Excuse me?
4 square plus 3 square.
That's right. 4 square plus 3 square.
Oh.
Am I right? Yes?
So we're just
Now, it's third quadrant.
Like the way the
Very important. In third quadrant, your x is what?
Negative.
Negative. Your y is? So, this one is negative. Oops.
That's what helped me.
This one is negative 3. Am I right? This one is
Should we
negative
wanna
4.
look different?
Do you understand?
Tell us that. Yes.
Everything ready, so you can
That's
answer.
my tutor.
Yes.
He'd be helping me.
Hello? Very important. I really want to emphasize this one. Maybe this one is the golden key of today. Yep, so you understand this, maybe 4 or 5, you will be happy with the material. Okay, so here. Don't forget, what is your question? We have to answer for this, am I right? Yeah, so now, using these 2 triangles, right, we will answer. By addition formula, am I right?
Yeah.
What? This is sa co cosa, am I right?
Yes.
Sa co cosa, am I right?
Yeah. Yes.
This value from here, because theta. This value from here, am I right?
Okay.
This value from here, this value from here. Yes?
Yes.
Okay, go. So what is sine theta?
12 over 13.
Sine theta is yes. What is cosine b?
Negative 4 over 5.
Very good. What is cosine theta? Hmm? Right?
Yes.
What is sine b?
Negative
3 over 5.
Okay? What is common denominator?
We got
65,
five there.
right?
Yeah.
What is it? Negative 48 and plus 15. Yes?
Yes.
Because this minus. And then negative 33 over 65. That's it? Yes? It's good? Very, very, very important. Yes? So I don't want to hurry down. So I hope everybody in this class understand this. Everybody happy with this?
Yeah, I get it.
Good. And then to double check your,
I'm like, if not, we have the book.
I have a real quick question.
yeah.
In the triangle on the left, the hypotenuse, the 13, is that not supposed to be negative?
No, always your hypotenuse is positive. Do you remember unit angle? Unit circle, all the time your hypotenuse is positive magnitude, right? Yes. Only xy has a sign. Yes. Okay? Okay, so I want to double check you really understand or not. Go to page 552. 552. Number, let's see, number 51. Sine, cosine, tangent, uh, 55. Cosine theta is 3 over 5.
The pressure is getting worse.
Tangent B is negative 3.
Because I don't know what y'all want me to do.
In second quadrant. Yep, I need 2 volunteers. Take time. did already, right?
We did
So
already.
I need another one.
I'll try.
Very good.
Yeah, that was smart.
Yeah.
Can I do it at the same time?
You can ask. Yeah, oh, oh, yeah. Come.
Okay. I told you I don't have to hold on.
Yeah.
Come, I moved over here so you could have that space.
I don't even know what type of iPad I got.
Esther, what happened to Ali?
What she said. I'm sorry that I don't know.
I really don't know which one
Over
I
here.
got.
Set alpha, set beta, and then convert, right? Convert, you go this, and the next one is a triangle. Yes.
Do I have to do the triangle? I can't
Of
just
course,
like
you
know
should
what it
do
is?
triangle. You should do triangle.
I have to do triangle. I can't just know.
But
that
I
it-
know, this question, yes, you can go directly. So this question, yes, I accept.
Okay.
So what is alpha?
Alpha is-
Anyway, triangle is better, right? See, that's I'm worried about. You guys are too much depending on the table. So without table, how much you can do? That's my problem. Yes. So this is your alpha, this is your beta. Am I right? And then go back. So don't stop here. So what is your question?
So now it's gonna be.
Sine. That's right. Very
Because it was a
good.
Plus, right? Yes.
So, yes.
I have.
So, very good. Very good. Roger. Okay. See, McGrory, you forget, what is this angle? And then another graph. You have to go.
And move that forward.
Huh? And let's see,
I don't think so.
minus, right? Because you see, to figure out the hypotenuse, you have to add the adjacent square and the opposite square, right? But the other part should be subtract from the square of a hypotenuse minus another one. Yes? Yeah. Oops. Just a minute. Just a minute. It should be right triangle.
This is the second direction.
So, your case, this is negative, am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't think so. Tangent B is square root of 3. And then which one is square root of 3, which one is 1? Very good. Good job. Very good.
Oh, sine over cosine, right?
Yes, this is negative 1. Am I right? Very good. Yeah. And then what is this?
This, I'm not doing.
Pythagorean. What is this?
So it's
what is it?
2.
Yeah. It's good? Very good. So you generate two triangles. Here, this triangle and this triangle, right? Based on that, you have the answer for this.
Kokosa. I don't know the formulas.
Kokosasa plus.
Kokosa plus.
Mhm.
So it's cos.
Koko plus sasa. So, substitute. Okay? No more cosine. What is from the first triangle? What is cosine theta? Huh? Yes? What is cosine phi from the second triangle?
-1 over 2.
Eh?
-1 over 2.
Yes. Where's your negative? I don't see any negative. Oops. Yeah.
This one's
Very good.
this is 2.
Mm. Mm. So common denominator.
3
Over.
over 10.
Yes. Good job. Good. Very good. Yes. Everybody can do. Yeah. Okay. Oops. Last one. Yeah. Here. Go to page 549. Last concept. Here, at the bottom, A sine x plus B cosine x can be write down by k 1 sine x plus b, something like that. How to? So I'm gonna prove this. What is good k and what is good p? Here, what I'm doing, see here. This one is equal to, I will explain later. Algebra. Am I right? This is equal. I make this, I divide that. And I divide by that. Yes, no problem. Now, so it is equal to, keep this. I want to write down sine x first. Times. I want to write down cosine x first. Times. Am I right? Yes. I want to say this one is what? Cosine b. Now, I want to say this is sine b. And then by this, what kind of triangle we can think about? Here is b, yes. Here is what? Sine should be b here, a here. Am I right? Do you understand? Yes. And then everything is true. Yes. Everything is true. Alright? And then in this case, this one means what? This one is equal to k. Am I right? Am I right? Here. When this is good, example. I have baby example in the book. Find k and p when 1/2 sine x plus square root 3 over 2 cosine x is equal to k sine x plus p. From this formula, this one is actually very useful, maybe in your field, especially like biology. I think this is important. I will explain what I mean. Here, based on this, what is A? What is A? What is A? Compare. What is A? Huh?
1/2.
That's right.
Square root.
Yes.
Yes.
And then by this formula, how do you make K? Am I right? Yes? So what is
Okay,
it?
yeah. Square root of 3 over 2 squared.
So what is it? Am I right? Your K is 1. Yes?
Yes.
Now, to figure out the P, you have to draw what?
Triangle.
That's right. Your hypotenuse is what?
1.
Very good. What is this?
Square root of 3 over 2.
Good. B, right?
Mm-hmm.
How about here?
1 and 1/2.
1/2. And then what is B? Because this is special triangle. What is B?
That's all. Square.
What is B?
Square root of.
This is a special ratio. What is B? What is angle B?
45.
No, it's
Pi over
No,
pi over what?
Pi over 3.
That's right. Am I right? Yes?
Yes.
So, now, conclusion. So it is equal to what? 1, so you don't need to write down. 1 times sine x plus pi over 3. Yes? Am I right?
Yes.
So compare this one and this one. Which one is easy? This one is easy. Because this one is addition of sine and cosine, right?
Yeah.
But this one can be written by what? 1 sine. Do you know what they mean this? What is the amplitude of this? You already know everything. What is the amplitude? 1. What is the period?
Pi over 3.
What is the period?
Pi over 2.
Pi over 3. Pi over K.
Pi.
Oh, just 2 pi.
What is
Pi over 2. Pi.
She finna fight us.
this is 1, am I right?
Yes.
So how do you make a period? 2 pi over k. This case, see, that's I'm hesitating. This case is not same k. Let's say this is p, and p is not good. Or c, let's say c or a, whatever, right? This is what? 2 pi over a, am I right? What is your a? 1. Yes?
Yes.
So this one, what is your period? 2 pi. What kind of shifting you have?
Moving to the right.
Left. See, this quiz, everybody mistake. Some of them maybe make it correct. But what? Pi over 3 to the?
Left.
Yes. You understand? So this picture is much clearer than this one. Am I right?
Yeah.
Understand? This one in the exam. Okay?
Wait,
So,
this upcoming exam?
no. We are talking about
Yeah,
test
yeah,
3. Okay, and then this is really last one. how about this? Example,
You keep gaslighting us, dog.
yeah, because,
Oh my god.
how about this? Example, same question. Let me make this, rewrite this one. 3 sine x plus 4 cosine x is equal to k sine x plus b. Find k and b. What is x and b? X and b. K and b. What is it? What is A?
A is 3,
B is
4.
How do you make a k?
The square root
A
of
squared
3
plus B
squared,
squared.
and then the 4 squared.
Am I right?
Yes.
And then what kind of triangle you can make with B?
5,
5, 4.
4, and
Three.
3.
Okay, and then now, what
Okay.
is a B? You did in the quiz.
3 over 5.
How do you represent B?
5 over 6. All
Sine what? B equal to what? Huh? 4 over 5. How do you solve B?
Inverse.
Right, sine inverse 4 over 5. Yes? This one is not the special angle, right?
No.
Calculator, you have to test it. What is the sine inverse 4 over 5?
Yes, somewhere. Oh, right here.
53.13.
Oh, you got it. I did it wrong.
Yes? So, what did you answer?
53 point,
Am I right? What's the amplitude?
This ain't right.
5. What's the period? 2 pi. What's the shift?
to the left.
To the left, 53.1. Yes? Stop here. Huh? Okay, you have exam Wednesday.
Wednesday. I'm just kidding.
Oh my god. She gonna go off on me.
You saw her face, she's like, you've been doing
Okay.
this. I'm just
And
kidding.
after Wednesday quiz, maybe for a while you don't have a quiz, but it's not meaning you don't need to study. So you should study continuously. So after test 2 during the weekend, definitely you have to review 7.1 and 7.2. You already see that 7.2 is how much important. Yes.
Yes.
If you missing the 7.2, I cannot say anything. Yes.
Yes.
Every step is important, right? Yeah, stop here. I already make a